Let's start question number 2 of exercise 3A. Find the smallest number by which each of the given number must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect square. First, children, we find its prime factors. 512 के प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. We write here 512 is equal to how many times 2 here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 512 factor of 512 is 9 times 2. So first find its pair. First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. Fifth pair is not completed. We write here 2 is not in a pair form. So if we multiply 512 by 2, then we get a perfect square number. बच्चों, अब इसमें क्या है कि अगर आप इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई और कर दें, यानी कि अगर इसमें एक 2 से फैक्टराइजेशन और होता तो इट कैन बी अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. तो जो भी नंबर हमारा पेयर में नहीं होता है हम उसी को ही लिखते हैं. दिस इज़ नॉट इन अ पेयर फॉर्म, सो इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय दिस नंबर so we get a perfect square number. Okay, similarly part 3, first we find its prime factor. 1 3 2 3. It is not divisible by 2. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9. हम इसको ऐड करके देखते हैं. इफ़ सम ऑफ दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 देन इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. 147 again divisible by 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. Now it is divisible by 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. We write the prime factor of 1323. It is 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Now in this factors 3 is in a pair form and 7 is also in a pair form, but this 3 is not in a pair form. So we write here 3 is not in a pair form. So if we multiply 1323 by 3, then we get a perfect square number. तो बच्चों यहाँ मैंने 2 नहीं लिखा है. सो इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई 512 बाय 2 देन वी गेट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर. नाउ एवरीवन do these question in your notebook. Start the question number 3. Now question number 3, find the smallest number by which each of the given numbers should be divided so that the result is a perfect square. सेम है बच्चों ये भी, इसका भी फर्स्ट वी फाइंड इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर. 2 9s are 2 0, 2 4s are 2 5s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. We write 180 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now make it its pairs. We write here 5 is not in a pair form, so 180 should be डिवाइडेड बाय, जिसका पेयर नहीं है उसी नंबर से ही डिवाइड करेंगे, उसी से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. शुड बी डिवाइडेड बाय 5 सो दैट द रिजल्ट इज अ perfect square. Clear? Now fourth part of this question, 19,200. 19,200. 2 8s are 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 0 0, 2 4s are 2 8s are 16, 0 0, 2 2s are 2 4s are 0 0, 2 1s are 2 2s are 0 0, 2 6s are 0 0, again 2 3s are 0 0, 2 150s are 2 7, 2 5s are 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now write the factors of 19,200. 19,200 is equal to how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Make its pair. 3 is not in a pair form. We write here 3 is not in a pair form, so 19,200 should be divided by 3 so that the result is a perfect square. Now question number 2. Part 2 and 4. Question number 3. Part 2 and 3 in homework. Everyone do the homework in same notebook. Tomorrow we will continue this exercise, and tomorrow we will discuss some properties regarding the perfect square number. Okay.